Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 9th Standard Subject English.
Dear students, hope you fine and safe. You know that the Central Board of Secondary Education has revised the syllabus due to COVID-19. Today we are going to discuss the revised syllabus and new exam pattern for the academic year 2020 and 2021. All of you write the revised syllabus and new exam pattern in your classwork notebook. English Language and Literature, code number 184, syllabus for class 9, 2020 and 2021. There are 3 sections. Section A consists of reading skills. Section B consists of writing skills and grammar. Section C includes reading text. Part A, reading. There are 2 unseen passages are given. One is discursive passage, another one factual passage. First one, multiple choice questions or MCQs based on a discursive passage of 400 to 450 words to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. Each question carries 1 mark. Second time, multiple choice questions based on case-based factual passage with visual input, statistical data, chart, etc. of 200 to 250 words to test analysis and interpretation. 10 out of 12 questions to be answered. Each question carries 1 mark. Total 20 marks for this unseen passage. A discursive passage has less ambiguity. The passage will talk about various topics at random that appear to have no connection with one another. It is often a challenging task to follow the changes in subject. What is a factual passage? It provides good clarity on the topic being discussed. The whole passage gives the reader a complete picture of what is being presented. It gives a comprehensive view of about the subject discussed by offering a step-by-step description of the same. This is part A continuation. Literature textbooks, 10 marks. Roman letter 3, multiple choice questions based on an extract from drama or prose to test inference, evaluation and vocabulary. Any 1 out of 2 extract to be done. Each question carries 1 mark. There will be 5 questions. Fourth Roman letter, multiple choice questions based on an extract from poetry to test analysis and interpretation. Any 1 out of 2 extract to be done. Each question carries 1 mark. There will be 5 questions. Next one, grammar. Fifth Roman letter, 10 multiple choice questions out of 12 to be answered. Questions shall be based on the following. 1, tenses. Second one, modals. Third one, subject verb concord. Fourth one, reported speech. In reported speech, commands and requests, statements and questions. Roman letter 5, determiners. Part B, writing part, 10 marks. First one, writing a descriptive paragraph on a person or a diary entry based on visual or verbal cue or cues. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. Word limit is 100 to 120 words. 5 marks for descriptive paragraph or diary entry. Second Roman letter, writing a story on the basis of given cue or cues. 1 out of 2 questions is to be answered. Word limit is 100 to 120 words. 5 marks for story writing. Part B continuation, literature, 30 marks. Third Roman letter, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions are to be answered in 20 to 30 words, each from beehive and moments. 2 out of 3 are from beehive and 2 out of 3 are from moments. Each question carries 2 marks. Total marks 8. Fourth Roman letter, 4 out of 6 short answer type questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words. 2 questions are from beehive and 2 from moments. Each question carries 3 marks. Total marks 12. Fifth Roman letter, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from beehive to be answered in about 100 to 120 words to assess creativity, imagination and extrapolation beyond the text and across the text. This can be a passage based question taken from a situation or plot from the text. It carries 5 marks. Roman letter 6, 1 out of 2 long answer type questions from moments on theme or plot involving interpretation, extrapolation beyond the text and inference or character sketch to be answered in about 100 to 120 words. It carries 5 marks. The CBSE has reduced 30% syllabus due to COVID-19 for the academic year 2020 and 2021. Now I'll tell you the deleted portion. First of all, there are 5 topics deleted in your textbook Beehive, 3 poems, The Lake Isle of Innisfree, The Duck and the Kangaroo, A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal, and 2 chapters in prose, The Snake and the Mirror and Kathmandu. 2 topics are deleted from your supplementary reader Moments, Ishwaran the Storyteller and The Accidental Tourist. In writing part, letter on a situation and descriptive paragraph on a place or event are removed from your syllabus. Finally, in grammar part, use of passive voice, classes, noun, adverb classes of condition and time, relative classes, preposition are removed from your syllabus. That's all for today, students. Make a note of the deleted portion so that you can lessen your burden and increase your leisure time. Thank you very much. We'll learn grammar and writing part in the next session.